Okay, set muna po tayo ng camera. Ayan, ang camera po. Ayan po ang camera. Okay, welcome po ngayon po for the semifinals match. Laglagang portion po tayo dito between Doignite ranked number 1 versus, of course, Caspo ranked number 4. Basketball night po tayo po. Friday basketball action po tayo sa Do Friend League, aka the Titos and Titas League. Para tayo, para mas maganda. Total, may Bluetooth man tayo. Okay, that's better. Okay, Titos and Titas League po tayo yun. Between rank number 1 Doignite versus rank number 4 Qatar Aviation Services. Sinabi ko po kanina po, deal for match, speed for speed, rebound for rebound, for sure also long bomb against long bomb for both teams po tayo. With the respective coach po ngayon, we're just waiting now for the game will start. And with it, sino nga po talaga sinasabi nga, who will go to the finals and who will go to the battle for third? Give me 40 minutes to answer that question. Ito po ang yung host with you, Arvin G Vlogs, aka Event Horizon Vlogs Channel. Ito po ang aking pong sports arm ko po. And you're watching right now DFL, aka Do Friend League, that featuring the Titos and Titas division. Ayan. Okay, before that, tayo. Sige po tayo. Tayo dito. Okay, first quarter action start right now. Semifinals action po tayo yun. Between Doignite, the Green Boys, versus CAS, the Blue Men. And Ignite, and ano po tayo? Okay, baka meron pang rep. May ano pa? Final word pa before we start? Wala na. Okay. Okay, sinasabi nga po, meron kasing nakita po, tingnan po sa uniform po, si Rivera, di kasi naka-uniform daw. Kaya plus 1 point na po kaagad. Nalos. No good. Sayang. Ha? Martin Evaristo, FB page. Martin Evaristo. Okay, live po tayo po sa Martin Evaristo FB page. And also later, this will be posted also sa aking Arvin G Vlogs channel. Sa posting lang. You're watching right now dalaglagang portion. Semis action po tayo between CAS and Doignite. Give me 40 minutes to answer one question. Who will book the first final seat po sa ating DFL League? Yan. KK featuring Titos and Titas po yan. 40s above po ang maglalaban-laban po dito. Okay. Final po. Mayroon pong final. Ano pong referee po natin? As in final na. Final. Wala dito yun. It's a shot trashed. Okay, ito yan. Okay. Ayan, ito. This is now the semis between CAS ranked number 4 versus Doignite ranked number 1. Who will book the first final seat sa ating ligang ito? Give me 4 minutes to answer that question. 40 minutes rather to answer that question. Okay, the referee now is giving out of some final instructions to both teams. Pero bago po lahat, maghanap buhay muna po tayo. Okay. Okay. Nakuha. 31. Kagad. 31 on the attack. Doignite ball. Nalos. Thinking 3. Wag mo na raw. And napatak 26 ang bola. 2 is a spam for 3. No good. Rebound by Mr. Isa now to Roldan. Kay lumawag Nako, wala. Malumig pa, mali pa si Lumawag. Malamig pa. One more time. Isa, 2 points, Isa. Isa, 2 points. Nagbigay kagad ng 2 points po kagad ang Qatar Aviation Services. Nalos. And now number 31. Number 6 thinking 3. No good. Rebound battle won by number 17. Pops up. Pasok. That's Manalo with you. Manalo 17. 2-all po tayo yun. 2-all. Rivera. Binababa ang bola. Ang Matt and Jeff combination. Andyan din pala. Ayun. Lumawag. 2 points kagad. Yan. Lumawag. 2 points. Balik muli po tayo. Nalos. Binadala ang bola. 4-2 at 8 minutes 51 remaining. Aspan penetrating. Ayaw muna niya. Manalo. Short stab. No good. Rebound by Mr. Lumawag. Roldan. Kick pass kay Rivera. Rivera. Short stab. Bang! 2 points Sir Owen. Srokomora is watching also. Si Lemuel and Nacleto is watching also. Good luck po sa second game niyo po between Airport United and of course, alam po natin yan, foul! Alam na po natin yan with in-flights. 8 minutes 20 remaining. 6-2 pong score po natin. For sure, wala na pong barangay options po dito. Shuffle na po kada. Mekos ni Insa na po tayo. Manalo, first shot, pasok. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second free throw ni Manalo, papasok na yan o hindi. Malalaman po natin yan. Manalo, second try. It's in. Nothing but net. Only hoop. Only hoop. Like that. Ganun lang ang ginawa po ni Manalo. And now, Rivera. 6-4, 8-13, and 1. In the sky play, Lumawag still high jumping ni Lumawag. Palpal sa likod. Single. Again, yung kanilang Matt and Jeff combination, pinapagalan nila muli. Dila, Rivera, and Lumawag. Combination po yan. Para Stockton tumalon. Ayun! 15! Palpalang konti. Rebound. 26. Rebound 26. Again, now si Mr. Number 6. Number 17. Dukot. Wala. Nakunis ang bola. Roldan. Kick pass kay Rivera. Rivera. 3-on-2 situation. Wala. Trashed. Rivera. For sure, shooting for 2 po yan. Akop shooting po kasi. It's an akop shooting ni Rivera. Rivera shooting for 2 po tayo. This game is supported by Team LBC. Hari ng padala at Thread and Needles. Thread and Needles po tayo. Number 16. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. 7:31 remaining. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Foul sa ilalikod. Pushing foul. Tinawag kay number 15 ng CAS. 7 minutes 31 remaining. And Mr. Manalo to Nalos. Nalos, dinadala ang bola. May tangan ng bola. Number 6. Number 6. Against Rivera. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by Nalos. Block. Nice D by number 15 over Aspan. 26. Put back sana. Nalos. Short stab. No good. Rebound battle won by Isa. Yes. Nakunisa bola. Straight height advantage. Rivera again. Rivera. In the sky play. Malakas. Isa pa. Rivera. To Lumawag. To Rivera again. Rivera. Ayun. Kumat. Pops up. Pasok ang bola. Kay Lumawag. Number 4. Lumawag. 2 points again. 6 minutes 42 remaining. And now, again, Ignite. 9-4 ang score. Nalos, thinking 3. No, wag muna daw. Number 6. Foul. No, it's traveling violation. Sorry, traveling violation. Traveling violation called. Timeout called by Ignite. Do Ignite. The Green Boys called for the timeout. Before that, hanap buhay muna po tayo. Okay. This is your Dofre AK Titos and Titas League po tayo po ngayon. And this game is sponsored by the following sponsors. LBC, Team LBC, Hari ng Padala, and Thread and Needles. And of course, SBB Pilipinas, QBFA Pool of Referees, and of course, PSBG Basketball League. And also, sama po natin yan, you're watching right now the first game. Ranked number 1, Do Ignite versus ranked number 4, CAS. This is now the semifinals matchup now for these two. Ika po, laglagang portion na po tayo ng ligang ito. Wala na pang bukas for both teams. No more tomorrow for both teams. They must do it well. Ika nga. And now, lumawag again. Lumawag, Rivera. Roldan to Rivera. Rivera pops up. No good. Rebound battle. Won by the green shirts. And now, Nalos. And now, pops up. Manalo. Pasok ang bola kay Manalo. Manalo pa lang. Ulam na. Para sa kanila. Eto ngayon, Rivera. Roldan again. Naghanap ng mapasan. Muntik na, number 15. Number 4, end line violation kay Mr. Lumawag. And then violation, Mr. Lumawag. Renzo Manso is watching. Eric Grama is watching. Good luck sa team nyo next game. Hoping nyo that you're here. Mr. number 26, intercepted. Intercepted also by Nalos. And now Manalo pops up. No, it's number 6. 9-8. 1 point lead na lang para sa CAS. Para sa CAS, 1 point lead na lang po tayo. Nalos. Rivera nakalusot. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Aspan. And foul called on Rivera. Rivera called for a foul. Duty foul po yan. Parang di po Okay, sorry. Change pipe pa rin pala. Walang barangay rules in effect pa rin pala. Okay, thank you po, sir, Sir Aison and Madam Kat. Yan po yung representative ng PSBQ. Please watch our game also Tuesday night basketball action points sa aming Facebook page po. If you want to live, you want to go, please go to the Pearly Season International School in Doha, Mansura branch po yan. Pops up! Wala. And green ball po tayo. Green ball. Yan. I also, please, si Sir Aison R Vlogs, Aison Romero Vlogs po, kay YouTube channel, also PSBQ YouTube channel din po. Their games also been posted in that channel. No good. Rebound. Pops up. Wala. Pero may foul. Take 2. Si number 48. Number 48 shooting for 2. That's Mr. Purificando. Number 48. Purificando shooting for 2. Chance also to tie the ball game. Pasok. Tabla. Second shot. Jumpers ready. 48. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Chance to grab the lead. Purificando. Pops up. Is in. Lamang. 9-10. Change favor. Number 12. Pinababa ang bola. Setting up the pace. Marasigang po posisyon. Almost had the ball. Walang trabe. Mon. Step away. And stepping on the line. Si Mr. Jade. Stepping on the line siya. Pa-shoutout naman. Asinjo Idol Marvin. Missing the semis. Yun lang, boss. Namiss ka ng daming tuloy. Pops up. Wala. Rebound battle won by number 48. Number 48. Again, si Agoncillo. Ang kanilang historian. Agoncillo. Nawala ang bola. Good ball. 22. Mr. J. Foul. Mr. J. Madulas na yung bola. Sabi daw nila. Okay. Paka-check lang po. Maraming salamat. Wala. Ice friend. J. Mr. J. Pops up. Agoncillo. Wala. Rebound ng Marasigan. Kick pass kay Ian. 2 points. Ian 2 points. Ang stalwart po niya ng Los Hermanos sa kanyang regular league. And now, si Mr. Agoncillo. Agoncillo, second of the pace. Pops up. Collis, no good. Rebound, Marasigan. Kick pass na naman kay Ian Villanueva. Ayun! Wala, malakas. Good ball, good ball. Ian. Rest back. Nasaan ang rest back nila? Sinasalap sila. Doon ko sila lalim. May lalim masyado. And now, eto na. Number 17. Number 17. Manalo again. Pops up. No good. Marasigan. Rib. Marasigan. Another center. Malakas ang pasa ng konti. Good ball. Good ball. Nakalusot. Nakalusot. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Who's ball rep? Green ball. Green ball. Green ball daw. Sabi ng referee, it's a green ball. Green ball, green ball, green ball. Sabi niya, green ball. Agoncillo. Binababa ang bola. Ang kanyang historian. And now, 22. Si Mr. J. Wala. Lumuwa ang bola. Rebound, Marasigan. Nako, malakas ang pasa. Nako, Agoncillo. Hey! Medyo, madulas pa ng konting bola. Pero kakayanin yan. They have to adjust what's in hand right now for both teams. Okay, now 22. 12 rather. Okay, binigay kay Ian, 23. 23. Marasigan. 24. Valero. No good. Marasigan. Foul! Nice trailing job ni Marasigan. Nice trailing job ni Marasigan. Marasigan shooting for 2. Number 9 shooting for 2 at 1 minute 58 remaining po sa ating first quarter action. Salamat na sa Bluetooth kaya medyo nalalayo po tayo. Second shot, jumper straight. Chance now to extend the lead by another 1 point. Marasigan, second throw, jumpers ready. Pasok. It's patok. And po tayo, ito na po tayo yun. Agoncillo. Agoncillo, naghahanap ng mga pasahan. Agoncillo, pinasa kay Mr. J. Agoncillo again, pops up, no good, rebound. Same ball, tumama sa Panimon. Tumama sa Panimon. Okay, shooter daw, naghahanap shooter. And now, kick pass kay Agoncillo, 22. Tumat si Manalo. Pasok. 2 points Manalo. Mali pinasahan. Mali pinasahan. Manalo ka. Manalo. Floater shot. Pasok na naman. Back-to-back field goals. Posted by the Green Boys. The Green Men. Uy! 2 points. Tabla, tabla, tabla. 1:11 remaining. A minute remaining. 14 all. Manalo. Manalo pops up. Bulilo ba ang bola? Mon. Mon. Number 12. Foul. Blocking foul. They go for a block. Blocking foul called. Inbounding still number 12. Marasigan number 9. To number 12 again. Troy Longtom is watching. Shoutout kay Sir Asinjo. Missing you, sabi nila. Pops up. Pasok! 3 points. Bang, bang, bang. Sabi ni Mano. Sabi ni Villanueva. Ian Villanueva for 3. 17-14. Balik na naman Lisano. Balik na naman sa tatlong kalamangan. Eto na naman. Straight away. Binato. Binato. Malakas. Binato. Pinasa. Binitbet. Wala. And green ball. 14 seconds remaining. Jamuyot, 24. Pops up. Manalo, thinking 3. Ayaw niya. 48. No good. Ayun. Good ball. 1 second. Wala na. Out of first quarter is finished. The score is 17-14. Cass leading the charge by 3 points. Okay, another 10 minutes muli po tayo. This game is brought to the following sponsors. Team LBC, Hari ng Padala, and Thread and Needles. Of course, PSBQ, Basketball League. and SBB Pilipinas. And you're watching right now the first game for today. Semifinals matchup, semifinals action, CAS versus Do Ignite, followed by, of course, Airport United and the In-Flights. Number 2 versus number 3. Back to the ball game po tayo. Wala yung case ko. Okay, number 22, that's Mr. Rivero. Pinasa kay number 7, ayaw nyo muna. Okay, kay Mr. Ruiz, number 10. Number 7, si Ramos, nandiyan din pala kanyang rebounder. Hoy! Green ball. Yung kanyang rebounder po, nandiyan si Mr. Ramos. And Agoncillo, may tahan ng bola. Agoncillo. Nalos for 3. Pops up. Out. Trashed. 9 minutes 31 remaining. 7. Number 10, Ruiz. Binababa. 22, pinasa. 22. Intercepted. Huy! Traveling. Traveling on number 7. Balik tayo. Binato. Wag muna raw. Agoncillo. Binaba ang bola. Agoncillo. Binaba ang bola. Ruiz against Agoncillo. Trap play. Pops up for 3. Kapos. Good ball. 22 naka-rebound. Binato. 10. Ruiz. Binato lalo. Ramos. Ramos. Dish of pass. Foul! Agoncillo called for a foul. Number 7. That's De Castro. Yes, De Castro shooting for 2. De Castro shooting for 2 po tayo. Pops up. It's out. Second throw, jumpers ready. Ting, tong, ting. Ting, tong, ting. De Castro. No good. Rebound. Save ball. Nice play. Nice play. Nice play. Ding, dong, ding. Ding, dong, ding. No good. Number 6. Iniwan na lang. Ayaw niya po, hindi na kinuha. Number 6. Ignite again on the attack. 17-14, 8 minutes 16 remaining. Agoncillo. Nalos. Touch pass. Fadeaway shot. Pasok. That's number 6. Number 6. That's Siason. Siason number 6. Rivero. De Castro. Eyeing the sky play. Ramos, ilalim. Stepping on the line. Ramos. 26. 11. Nagmamadali. Agoncillo against Ruiz. 7 minutes 35 remaining. Pops up. No good. Rebound. By Ramos. Ruiz, hounded by green shirts, hounded by Nalos. Ruiz, naipit ang konti. Steal completed. Nope, not to steal. Ramos again. J. Ramos. Kumat, 22. Pinasa, pops up. 2 points. Walang foul. 2 points now. De Castro 2 points. And Nalos thinking 3. Bang! Tabla. 19 all. 16:57 remaining. 6 minutes 57 remaining rather. And green ball. Sabi ng referees, green ball. Nalos na si shot. From the shot of Nalos, tinablan niya muli ang laro. Nalos for the inbound. And a timeout called by CAS. Timeout by CAS. You're watching right now CAS versus Do Ignite. First game po tayo. And afterwards po is this. Airport United versus In-Flights. And now back to the ball game. Nalos for the inbound. 6 minutes 42 remaining. Agoncillo to receive the ball. Tinanggap nga niya. Agoncillo, tunalos again. Pops up, ayaw niya. Agoncillo. Ayun, number 31. 31! Malakas! Rebound, number 22. Leipet! Dadaan, lalo ka nakuha. 2 points. Lamang isa. They will now go for a full court press. Tumatao-tao na. Trapping. Oh, traveling relation. Trapping defense now being made now by the green shirts. Nagtatrap na po sila. They're gonna choke now the play ng Cavs. 24-6. Siason pops up. No good. Rebound. Again. Nalos for 3. No good. Tapos. Bola ng blue ball. Ruiz. Hounded. Ramos. De Castro. Ruiz again. Ruiz. Nawala ang bola. Ngayon mag-isa. Aspan. 2 points. 20-23. 5 minutes 44 remaining. 37. Holding foul. Magkakilala pala eh. Nice D. Nice 3. Ramos, binabantay niya ano. Luis, binabantay niya kung sino lang kagad. Tao-tao. Walang pinasahan. Olea, nandiyan na rin pala. Chino-choke nila. If you're watching right now, they're not choking now the defense. They're choking now the offense of Cavs. Pops up for 3 again. No good. Rebound, Rivero. Trapping, nagtatrap sila. Nawala na naman. Nalus. Foul. Kinarate. Wapak. Sabi niya, wapak. Nalus, shooting for 2 for sure. 2023, lamang po ng 3 ang team Do Ignite. Nalus, first shot. Okay, tara. Bornok Grimm is watching. Troy Lompong is watching. Eric Grama is watching. Madam Kat is also watching. Sir Aison also is watching. Sir Owens is watching also. Sige pa, please do like and subscribe po itong larong ito. Nalo, second throw. Jumpers ready. Nalo, second free throw. Jumpers ready. Pasok. Nothing but net. Nothing but... Again! Kapos! Good boy. Yan, nakawala. No chance now. Cas. Ruiz. Ramos. Touch last. Okay. Change 5. Ding, dong, ding. Change 5. Second 5. Sino po? Roldan. Dumawag. Marasigan. Number 15. And... Olea. Kabila naman, Manalo, Agoncillo, Mr. J, 22 at si number 48 para sa Ignite, Jamuyot, number 24, Agoncillo, Manalo, Jamuyot 24, pops up, pasok ang bola, 3 points, bang, bang, bang. Sabi niya. Olea, power move. Olea, creating space. Foul. Take 2. Olea, creating space. Take 2. 20-27. Chance to trim the lead down to 5 points. If Olea make 2. Olea, first shot. Pasok. Olea, second shot. Jumpers ready. Olea, second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. No good. 48 ang rebound. Jamuyot, 24. Pinasa kay Agoncillo. Number 11. Ignite. Kumat. Nice D. And same ball. Nice D, touch by Roldan. 4 minutes 24 remaining, 21-27. Jamuyot for the inbound, Mr. Jai. Agoncillo. Jamuyot, binabantayan. 3-second violation. Nice D, nice denial. Nice D. Binabato. Parasigan, Roldan. Rivera nakalusot. Rivera, ayun, the sky play, pasok. 23-27. Pops up, ayun, Ramanalo, pasok. 2 points. 23-29. Anim. Roldan, nagmamadali. Olea, power move. And sayang, hindi nakapasok. N lang, N. Olea shooting for 2. Handle po ito ng the following sponsors. Team LBC, Harlem Padala. At Red Needles. O po, sample natin po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Pops up. In. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Any team po want to join our league, just visit the FB page for details. That's PSBQ Basketball League. Olea, second throw. Pumasok pareho. 25-29, laman ng apat lang diyan, sabi ng Cas, kaya pangabulin yan. 3 minutes 29 remaining. (24) 17, pops up. Wala. Rebound, lumawag, tinataw na kagad. Kick pass kay Roldan, kick pass kay Rivera, short stab, no good. Lumawag, lumipad. Wala. Rivera again, lumawag. Olea against number 48. Power move. Lumawag. Kapos. Isa pa, one more time. Rivera. Boy. Traveling violation, sabi ng referee. Sayang. Okay, balik po tayo. 22-11. Agoncillo. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound. On the Olea. Pow. Traveling violation called. Traveling violation. Sorry, traveling violation. Agoncillo. 22. Lost the ball. Nice D. Rivera. Roldan, palpal. Nice block. Erased by Agoncillo. Parasigan, posisyon, tingin 3. Pops up. Kapos. 3-on-2, 2-on-2 situation. Nice. Slice. Foul. Kanilang 2 shots, penalty situation, Team Ignite. At minute 40 remaining, the score is 25-31. A 6-point lead been posted by DOA Ignite. Lumawag. It's in. Lumawag, second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, lumawag, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Patok. It's pasok. It's in. A minute and 39 remaining. A 4-point lead lang ang kalamangan ng Ignite. Ignite trying to keep Cas at bay. Yung kanilang explosive offense. Mr. J for 3. Kapos. Barasigan naka-rebound. Olea. Kick pass kay Roldan. Pinasa kay Rivera. Wala, niluwa. Olea. Foul. Olea take to muli. Number 0, Olea shooting for 2. Number 0, 0. Olea shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. One more time. Olea, second shot, jumper straight, a chance na to trim the lead to 2 points. Nope! Olea naka-rebound. Walang foul. Good ball. Agoncillo. Manalo. Pops up. Wala. Rivera. Magrasigan. Kick pass. Lumawag. Tapos. Ay! One more time. Set up. Cutter. Palpal! Foul sa ilalim. Foul sa likod. Rivera shooting for 2. Foul sa back. Palpal sana pero foul. It's called foul, sabi ng referee. Teng, tong, teng. Second shot, jumper ready. Rivera. Trim the points down to 2. Rivera, second throw. Pasuy, labas. Malamig pa si Rivera. Rivera, still cold. Mr. J. Agoncillo, pops up. Ayun. Nice cut. Nice interception. Olea. Wala. No foul. 31 seconds remaining. Manalo. 27 seconds remaining. Agoncillo, 22 seconds remaining. Manasigan, binabantayan sa 22. Pops up, Manalo, pasok. 15 seconds. Manasigan. Roldan, 9 seconds. Foul. Nice foul, sabi ng ng gas. Hoy, teka, sito. Mr. J. Prince Gray, number 4, I love you. J. Prince Gray, number 4, I love you raw. I love you. Roldan, second shot. Pasok. First shot, made. Second throw, jumpers ready. 4 seconds remaining. 29-33. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Foul! Sumabit, Roldan. 2 seconds remaining. Wala pa. 2 seconds remaining. Wala pang penalty ang Cas. 22. 11. 1 second. Wala na. Sayang, wala na. No more. This is your DFL Doha Friendly League featuring the Titos and Titas Division. 40 up po tayo. And you're watching right now the teams battling now for the first final seat. Doha Ignite versus CAS. And also coming up next po is this game. Ito po yun. Number 2, Airport United versus number 3, In Flights. As of now, in flights po, naipon na po sila. Ayun na po, implies, naipon na po sila. Nasa na po kayo? Mr. Airport United, where are you now? After 20 minutes of basketball action, 29-33 ang score po natin. Lamang po ng 4 ang Ignite. Another 20 minutes more to determine who will book the first final seat ng DFL Friendly League. Okay. Back to the ball game. And also, of course, pala po, live po pala po on July 11, Casey Tandingan. With, of course, Steve, TJ Monverde. On June 11 po, get your tickets now, ha? Don't forget. Tangkilin po natin po ating mga bumibisitang Filipino talents po sa Qatar. July 11 po yan sa Doha Convention Center. Get your tickets now. Manalo, 26. Siason. Aspan. Papsa. Palpal. Nice block. Stripped away. 26. 17. Manalo. Kapos. Rebound na naman. Nanakawan na naman. Wala. Okay, ngayon. Baba. Sabi mo nila. Ian. Hounded by Manalo. De Castro. De Castro. Pops up. Kapos. Green ball. 6. 26. 26. 17. Pops up. Nalos for 3. Kapos. Rebound. Won by the blue shirts. De Castro. Palpal na naman. Stripped. Pops up. Kapos. Rebound by Isa. Isa. Ian. Ian. Binababa ang bola. 15. Ramos. Ramos. Nako, sayang. One more time. One more time. Wala. Ay! Blue ball. Blue ball. Blue ball. Green defense. Blue offense. Ian Villanueva for 3. Pops up. Kapos. Ayun. Nalos. 2-on-1 situation. Nalos. Easy 2. 8 minutes 10 remaining. 15. Foul. Nakasundot. Nagsyonggayo called for a foul. Iroldan 15. Villanueva 23. Tangan ng bola. De Castro 7. Ramos. Ramos. Nice dish pass. Selfless play. 2 points. Iroldan. Siason. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound. De Castro. Ian. Ian against 26. Ian. No good. 31-35. Stripped away. Nice strip. 2-on-2 situation. De Castro. Malakas. Rebound. Ramos. Wala pa rin. Isa pa. Ramos. Wala pa rin. Green. Push ball rep. Green ball. Okay, teka. Call overruled, blue ball. Call overruled, blue ball. 6 minutes 57 remaining. Isa. Ramos, naka-rebound. Labas muna, sabi ni Ramos. Ramos. Isa, umiin ang bola. Isa, power move. Same ball. Same ball. Swiped away. Isa, one more time. Isa. Number 15, ayaw mag-isa. Pops up. Kapos. Ramos. Ayun. Foul. Ramos, Ramos rebounding and giving the easy assist to any open player. Olea now. Nilabas muna si Ramos. Good game kay Ramos. Isa also. Nilabas muna para kay Rui. Para kay number 12. Sino isa? 1, 2, 3. Pops up. Pasok. Second shot. Jump is ready. Sino pa? 1, 2, 3. Okay. De Castro again. Pops up. Pasok. Ramos. Binabantayan. 33-35. Dalawa. Nalos. Naipit. Walang cutter. Number 26. Pasok ang bola kay number 26. Pamatay sunog. Oleya. 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 Stripped away. Sayang. Manalo. Manalo. Ayun. Nalos 2 points. And time out ko by Team Cas. 5 minutes 54 remaining. Down to 2 na kanina pero nagawan po ng parang po ng ignite. Again, para po to start the bleeding again for Cas. 5 minutes 54 remaining. Ito na po pala natin. Habang nag-aantay tayo, ito na po yung number 3. Waiting for their enemy now. Yung kanalo. Good luck po sa inyo lahat. And back to the ball game muli po tayo. Back to the ball game tayo. Rivera to Roldan. Pinasok na si Lumawag. Si Marasigan pinasok na rin. Rivera for 3. No good. Rebound battle. Oleya. Oleya. Roldan. Nice rebound. Nice rebound. Good ball. Pops up. Eye in the sky play. Wala pa rin. Oleya. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Oleya again. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ng green shirts ang bola. Manalo. Pops up. Offline. Roldan. Good ball. Roldan. No good. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Okay, J. Prince Great. Focus naman daw dyan, Team Cas. Jen Dennis Suarez, shoutout kay Roldan Calvo. Ano ba yun? May mga tawag yan. Arvin Asio, pa-shoutout naman Ivan Marvin, missing the semis. 2 points. 35-40, 35-40. Marasigan, binabantay ng buang ball carrier. Agoncillo, naitawid ng bola. 4 minutes 48 remaining. Pops up. Inside. 3 points. Bang, 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 sabi niya. Roldan. Roldan. Lumawag. Stripped away. Grim. Same ball. Touch last by green shirts. Okay, labas muna raw siya. Manalo. Manalo, quality minutes kay Manalo. Rivera, thinking 3. No good. Rebound. Good ball. Teka lang ha, teka lang po. David Zores watching. Siason. 3 points again. Back-to-back 3 points. Pinakawalan po ng Do Ignite. 35-46. Laman ng 11 na po ang Ignite. The bleeding has started again for Cas. Foul! Okay, cylinder. Sabi daw, focus daw Team Cas. Sabi ni J. Prince Gray. Roldan. Roldan. Oleya. In the sky play. Pasok ang bola. Marami pang ganun kinakailangan nila para manalo. Sabi ng coach. Ayan na. Agoncillo. Pops up. No good. Rebound. By Lumawag. Kick pass. Intercepted. Intercepted almost. And again, now number 6. Siason. Pops up. Malakas. Rebound. Marasigan. Kick pass. Oleya. Selfless play. Pops up. Naku! Pushing foul. Pushing foul called. Oh, may tawag dito. May comment dito. Sabi ni Mr. J. Prince kay, wag tira na tira. Teamwork. Mataas pang oras. Kaya yan. Sabi ni J. Prince Gray. Marasigan. Kumakat. Rivera. Uy! Ouch! It hurts. 37-46, a 9-point lead been posted now by Team Ignite. Team Ignite, a 9-point lead been posted. Number 31, nope. Again, cut, pops up. No good. Rebound by Marasigan. Kick pass kay Rivera, kay Roldan. Roldan! Kapos. Isa pa. Roldan, Rivera, short stab. Eye in the sky play, 2 points. 39-46. 39-46, a 7-point lead been posted by Team Ignite. Against 26. Aspan for 3. Offline. Ignite. Nakuha. Walang pinasahan. Walang pinasahan. Agoncillo. 26. 2:05 remaining. 26. Pops up, Manalo. No good. Rebound. Lumawag. Walang pinasahan. Walang pinasahan. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound, Marasigan. Kick pass. Rivera. Rivera, binitbit. Malabas. Aspan, Aspan. Ayun. 2 points. Lamang na siyam. Uy! Green ball. Tuk, ding, dong, ding. Ding, dong, ding. Ding, dong, ding. Ding, dong, ding. Tuning, tuning. Back to the ball game. The score is 39-48. Lamang muli po na siyam ang Ignite. At a minute 23 remaining. If they want to win this ball game for Cass, they have to do something and something fast. Or else they'll be held up by the choke of Ignite. Manalo. A spam for 3. No good. Malalim. Pops up, Manalo. 2 points na naman, Manalo. Oleya. Roldan. Oleya. Kumat. Binato. Marasigan. Marasigan. Aspan. Binato din Marasigan. Mali, pinasahan. Rivera. 3-on-2 situation. In the sky play. Malakas. Palpal. 2 points. Nice one. By Aspan. Rivera. 13 na po kalamangan po ng Team Ignite. Roldan. Roldan! 2 points, Roldan. 31-52. 16 seconds remaining. 26. Out of bounds. Blue ball. Sabi ni Borski, dami ng turbo ng Cass. In the sky play, wala pa rin. One more time. Out of time. Fourth quarter coming up. This is your Doha Friendly League. Featuring the Titos and Titos League po tayo. Featuring the main sponsors. And of course, SBB Philippines and PSB Basketball League. Sama po natin po dyan ang first game for today. Rank 1, Doha Ignite versus Rank 4, Cass. And of course, mamaya po tayo, Rank number 2, Airport United versus Rank number 3, In-Flights. Note muna po tayo ng Rank number 1 versus Rank number 4, the semifinals. Back to the ball game, fourth quarter action. At nahulog ang salamin. Oy, Airport United, nasa na kayo? Calling Airport United, nasa na kayo? Olea, Rivera, final 10 minutes. Marasigan, Rivera taking 3, pops up, in line, pasok! 44-52, an 8-point lead been posted again. Still by Ignite. Go Ignite. 27. Intercepted. Foot race. Roldan. 2 points. Back-to-back field goals now. Aspan. Binabatin ni Roldan. Rivera. Sinusundan si Aspan. Manalo. Agoncillo. Distorian. Nalos. Binabantayan sa Sugo. Barasigan. Siason. Mala. Rivera again. Rivera. Lumawag. Ay, lumipad. Lumuwa. Good ball. Manalo. Oh, grabe yung violation called. If you notice, ang daming play wasted by Cass. They have to make this up on the fourth quarter action. And Olea, Roldan, libre. Marasigan, kumakat, ayaw niya. And of course, Roldan, thinking 3, pops up. Rebound, Marasigan. Rebound, lumawag. Again, Roldan, one more time. Rivera, short stab. No good. Nakuha na ni Manalo. Nalos. Naku. Good ball. And now Rivera. Lumawag. Naku, malakas pa rin. Olea, creating space. Foul. Basketball, football. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. Roldan for the inbound. 46-52. 6 lang yan. Hop. Teka lang, meron lang. There's a konting discussion going po tayo. Okay. Act of shooting. Sabi, declaiming sa act of shooting. But referee says, okay, declaiming it as an act of shooting, but no, it's an inbound. Therefore, inbound po tayo, Cass. 8 minutes, 1 remaining. Medyo lang. Pinagpalit yung score pa, di malito. Okay, sorry. 46-52. Nabura lang. Bura, okay. Game. Saan ka pupunta? Roldan. Olea. Cut. Lumawag. Foul. Lumawag, the high flyer, giving that foul, getting the foul sa aking defender. Lumawag, number 4, shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok, nothing but net. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Lumawag, lumahabol pa rin po ang Cass. 47-52. Second throw. Pops up. Both basket made. Okay, 31. Agoncillo. Aspan, from Aspan to Agoncillo against Rivera. Magandang matchup yan. Manalo, kuminagad ng cutter. Olea, binabantay na ang arko. Agoncillo. Aspan. Agoncillo. Kay Nalos ang bola. Nalos. No good. Rebound by the blue shirts. Olea, 3-on-1. Olea, easy 2. And a timeout called now by Team Ignite. Nabuhay na muli po ang Ignite, ang CAS. Somehow they stopped na the bleeding ng CAS. Nagkaroon po ng band-aid ang CAS. Thank you pala po sa both teams po, and also thank you pala po kay Sir Philip po for giving the opportunity to have this game commented po. Mabuhay po ang DFL, Dog Friendly League po, and more leagues to come. Balik tayo. Green ball, nakashoot po, green ball. 26, Agoncillo. 50-52. Again, Agoncillo versus Rivera. 22 against Olea. 48 against Marasigan. Pops up, palpal. Kick pass kay Olea. Blue ball. Olea, blue ball. 50-52. Chance now to tie the ball game. Ayun! Manalo. No good. Rebound, Marasigan. Salamin. The sky play, palpal. Sayang! Blue ball. Okay, meron. Olea for 2. Bang! Tabla. Dami ng toro ng Kasparay. Sabi ng ano. Manalo. No good. Rebound by the blue shirts. Rivera. Chance now to get the lead again. Number 4 still. Number 4. Floater shot. Pasok. Number 4. Pinakikita na kung sino po siya. And timeout called by Team Ignite. Gumaganda. Siso ball game. Yan ito ang semis. This is what we call semis talaga. Kahit pa paano, yung subukan nila ako nagbabase nilang... Ito, si Scott to. Ay, Scott, tara, komentan mo ako. Scott to, kumamit ka rito. Sira, gano'n. May po lang ka, batuan dito. Alam ba, ano? Bola. Pops up for 3, kapos. Out of bounds. Okay, and again, the choke is in. Chino-choke na naman. Tumataw-taw na naman ang Ignite. Trapping. They're going for trap again. Trap. Rivera. Roldan. Marasigan, kumat. Ayun! Pops up! 2 points. Five minutes 41 remaining. Laban ng 4 na po. Agon 26. Again, 226 from Manalo. Aspan against Marasigan. High guard, pops up. 2 points. Manalo. Rivera, pops up, short stab. 2 points now. Rivera, 2 points. The little Rivera. And a big Rivero. 26. Aspan, lost the ball. Same ball. May comment po tayo. Arvin D. Asinjo. Yes, let's go, CAS. Arvin Asinjo. Let's go, CAS. Agoncillo again. Binabating Rivera against Agoncillo. Number 6. Pops up. No good. Wala kumuha. Again, number 6. Manalo. Short stab. Kapos. Lumawag. Marasigan. Roldan. Being guarded na by 26. Lumawag. Roldan Munderao. Roldan, bahala ka muna. Sabi ni Lumawag. Olea, power move, pops up. Bang! Turn around shot by Olea. Agoncillo. Number 26. Ignite, trailing now by 6 points. No good. Nakuha na naman. Nakuha. Kick pass. Hinahanap ko kanyang partner parate. Number 4, Roldan. 2 points, Roldan. And a timeout now call again by Ignite. Back to the ball game. Agoncillo against Rivera again. 3 minutes 59 remaining. 62-54. Lamang ng 8. Hop! Good ball. Ayun, Nalos. Ayun, mag-isa. Nalos, binabantayan ng arko niya. Pops up, short stab. No good. Rebound. Good ball. Again, Nalos. Side step move. Ayun, nice play. Ay, nawala. Butterfingers. Butterfingers as span. Wala si Lisbo pala, no? Roldan. Lumawag! 2 points lumawag. Aspan. Pops up. 2 points. Sa wakas. Nakascore. Sabi ng Aris Sila, dali na, buto-buto daw, sabi. Dali na, buto-buto, nanakawan. Good ball, nice hustle play. 3 minutes remaining. Roldan, Rivera again. Rivera, Roldan. 2 minutes 51 remaining. Manasigan, thinking 3, ayaw niya. Rivera for 3, no good. Nakuha. 2 minutes 41 remaining. Nice one. No good. Rivera naka-rebound. Rivera. Lumawag. Dukot. Malalim. Nakuha nagising ng bola. Baseball pass. Aspan for 3. Bang! 3 points Aspan. Okay, timeout called by Cass. Cass, sensing some concern. Mukha yan yung may 3 points. Gumagana na naman para sa team Ignite. Yung team owner. Yan po yung stakeholder po nila. Nasaan sila? Dalawa po lang kayo. Tatlo. Nasa isa iba. Kasi ba? Hala kayo? Okay, 2 minutes 12 remaining. 5 na lang ang Cass. Cass, the blue shirts. Cass, lumawag. Sinochoke na naman si Lumawag. Hounded daw by number 26. Si Marasigan dumating. Marasigan, Lumawag, Olea against Nalos. A minute 58 remaining. Lumawag, switching. Ian, malakas. Rebound, foul for sure. Marasigan called for a foul for sure. It's confirmed. Marasigan called for a foul. Marasigan called for a foul. Agoncillo. Number 26. Pops up. Niyoyo. And one play pa. Ginawa. Sabi na Aspan, anong katapusan na? Hindi pa, boy pa kami. At may apoy pa, umi-ignite na, sabi niya. Aspan, bonus free throw, 6/51. Aspan. Pops up. Inside. 64-62, a minute and 35 remaining. The choke is in. Roldan. Nakawala si choke. Roldan. Roldan! Rebound! Again! Lost the ball. Manalo. Walang tawag. Pops up, kapos. Rebound. Bemarasigan. Roldan. Oleya. Easy 2. Wala. One more time. Nilabas. Oleya. Oleya. 2 points, Oleya. A minute and 1 remaining. 4-point lead. Agoncillo. Manalo. Running shot. 2 points. 52. 66-64. 52 seconds remaining. Marasigan. Wala pang penalty both teams. Roldan. Oleya. Oleya. Palpal. Good ball. Good ball. Walang tawag. 41 seconds. Manalo. Against Marasigan. Nasyunggayo. Pops up. Bang! Lamang ng isa. 66-67. Roldan. Roldan. Foul. Down. Nalos saves. Nalos a potential game saver. Nalos a potential game saver. 26 seconds remaining. Roldan, number 1. Hinahanap. Oleya. Lumawag. Foul! ...21 seconds remaining. Chance again for Lumawag to take back the lead. Lumawag, number 4, shooting for 2. Lumawag, number 4, shooting for 2. Pops up. It's in. Tabla. Second shot, Lumawag. Jumpers ready. Chance again to take back the lead. Chance again to take back the lead. Lumawag. Pops up. No good. Tabla. 90 seconds remaining. Lost the ball. Good ball. Good ball. Foul! Alex Roldan shooting for 2. Penalty situation. Team Ignite. 13 seconds remaining. Team Ignite penalty situation. 67 all. Roldan first shot. No good. Second shot, jumpers ready. Nalos, binabantay na ni Lumawag. Alam nila kung ano mangyari. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Foul. Wala pa. Wala pa. 2 shot. 2 team fouls pa lang. Check nyo muna, check nyo muna. Ilan ka ba? Scott! Atas ka raw! Atas ka raw, pre! 10 seconds remaining. Almost! Aspan! Foul! 1 second remaining. Wala pa. Last. Wala na false sugip to. Ibibigay kay Nalos yan. Yun ang malamang. Nalos will try to receive the ball and try go for quick 3. No, it's Manalo. Pops up. Kapos. Overtime. This is... We're going overtime. I think 40 minutes is not enough to settle the ball game. They go for extra innings. Muli, ito po ang laro po nila ngayon. 1, Do Ignat versus Cas. Number 4, overtime po tayo. 67 all. They will now go for extra innings. Overtime po. Please take note po. Magka-carry over po ang penalty situation. Wala pong reset po penalty po dito. Penalty na po ang Ignite. Cas has 1 more foul to go to penalty. Manalo trying to salvage the game along with Nalos and Agoncillo and other Ignite players. Nice one by number 26 against Marasigan. 2 points. Lamang na naman. Manalo 2 points. Manalo. Cold as ice ang kanyang tira. Olea. Lumawag. Wala. Roldan. Nice guard by Roldan. Marasigan. Roldan. Natawid. Rivera thinking 3. No good. Rebound. Olea. No good. Rebound. Last touch. Blue ball, green ball ang bola. Laman ng dalawa na naman ang Ignite. 4 minutes 12 remaining. Siason. Aspan thinking 3. No good. Ayun, number 6. Naka-rebound. 4. Intercepted. Again, Agoncillo. No good. Rebound. 26 again. Back-to-back field goals. Back-to-back field goals. Being posted by Ignite. Foul. Rivera shooting for 2. 3 minutes 35 remaining. Malayo pa yan. Rivera shooting for 2. Must made baskets but the timeout called by Cas. If you're watching right now, the game has ended at 67 all in the first overtime. Ngayon, lamang na po ang Ignite ng 67-73. Hindi pa nakakascore ang Cas. Rivera shooting for 2. Okay. Lumawag, setting now the play now. Some instructions to the team. Ramos, pumasok ko para sa mga rebounds. Rivera per shot, no good. Second shot, jumpers ready para kay Rivera. Rivera, second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Rivera, second throw, jumpers ready. 3 minutes 35 remaining. Chance also to trim the lead down to 5 points. It's in. Okay. Okay, tao-tao na rin daw. Olea against Aspan. Agoncillo against Rivera. Nakuha ng pick. Switch. Ayaw. Siason for 3. No good. Rebound. Foul. Penalty. Penalty situation, team. Good luck. Penalty situation, team. Ignite. Cas, 1 more fouls to give. 68-73. Again, Rivera, chance to trim the lead down to 3 points. Rivera. It's out still. Second throw, jumpers ready para kay Rivera. Second free throw, jumpers ready, pops up. Pasok. Only apat. 4-point lead. Nakalusot. Sino tao nun? Ramos. Lost the ball. Nice D. Lumawag. Rivera. Dinaretso na ni Rivera. 2 points Rivera. Ayan na naman sila. Dalawa. 2 minutes 59 remaining. This is a classic game we're unfolding. Nakalusot. Walang foul. Roldan. Ramos. Sayang. Ramos shooting for 2. Timeout called by Ignite. Okay, if you're watching right now, the 7-2-17 score po natin. The overtime na po tayo. 2 minutes still remaining. Penalty na po ang Ignite. Cas has one more foul to give. And Ramos for the free throws. 17 Ramos for the free throw. Ramos, first shot. It's out. Second throw, jumpers ready. It's in. Isa. 72-73. Agoncillo against Rivera. Number 6. Agoncillo again. Rivera. Aspan, binabantayan. Lost the ball. Ayun! Naku! Wala time! Wala pa rin! Two minutes remaining. Lamang na isang Ignite. Siason, number 6. Hanggang sa Concilio. Hanggang sa Malumawag. Nag-switch sila now. Lost the ball! Olea, 1 minute 50-49 remaining. 1 minute 49. Lost the ball almost. Ayun, nakawala. Olea, no good. Ramos, wala. Isa pa. Rivera, no good. Rebound. Foul. Take 2. What a game. Mga kababayan ko, kung kayo po ay nagtatake po lang sa mental strength, kumain na muna po kayo ng strength down, level base, sa iba maraming salamat po. Lumawag, shooting for 2. First shot ni Lumawag, pops up, pasok, tabla. A minute to 59, chance not to take the lead. Nalos, binabantay na ni Rivera. Second throw, Lumawag. Okay. Lumawag, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok. Lamang. Change favor. Marasigan. Quality minutes para kay Ramos. Marasigan. Pumasok na naman. Marasigan. Binabantayan si number 6. Aspan. Agoncillo. Nakawala si Manalo. Lost the ball. Marasigan, binato. Naku, mali pinasahan. One minute 16 remaining. 72-73. A minute 16 remaining. Sinabi nga nila pa both teams, they will match for speed, shoot for shoot, 3 point for 3 point, and rebound for rebound. At nagkatotoo nga. Ngayon sino lang ang lost the ball. Sino ang problema? Sino lang ang pipikit? Yun ang matatalo ngayon dito. Sino ang pipikit? Yun ang talo. Sino ang bibigay? Yun ang talo. Both teams wanted to win this badly. Lumawag. No more. Wala na pong bukas for both teams. Isa po advance, isa po itong battle for third. Lumawag. Call for foul. Foul. Lumawag. Shooting for two. Lumawag shooting for two. A minute and 4 remaining. Lumawag shooting for two. Better. Lumawag shooting for two. Kailangan shoot na to. Dalawa. Pops up. Pasok. Dalawa nga. Lamang ng dalawa. Isa pa. Lumawag second throw. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Both basket made. Tatlo. Agoncillo. They will now for sure guard the arc para sa Ignite. Number 6. Number 6 against Marasigan. Creating space. Pops up for 3. Bang! Buti na lang. Na-shoot ni ano. Buti na shoot ni Lumawag. Dalawa. Lumawag. Lost the ball. Lost the ball. Lost the ball. Nalos. Nice touch by Roldan. 76 all. Gusto yun ba na paano overtime? Pops up. No! Laman na isa. Laman na isang shot. Foul! Again, Rivera. Chance to tie the ball game. Gusto yun ba second overtime, mga babae? Wag na na, malilitor sila. First shot made, good. 20 seconds remaining. Isa pa. 29 seconds remaining. Wala. One more foul. Rivera, second shot. Pasok. Tabla. 78 all. Huy! Agoncillo. Shason. Pumuposisyon. Yung arko, binabantayan na ng Cas. Aspan. Binabantayan ni Olea. Aspan, Olea. Shason. Pops up. Palpal. Kapos. They have to make a stop. They have to make a stop now. They cannot afford to have an open shot. Stop! Palpal! Again! 1 second remaining. Rivera! Muntik na! Woo! Sila. Of course, ay nakisilang dito. Si Mercado, yung shooter nandiyan din. Yung ball handler nandiyan din. Okay! Baka maraming nagdasal yata na isa pang overtime. Kaya may yung yata na may hindi mo yung disgranted. Okay, second overtime start. 7-8 all, another 5 minutes, extra inning. Second inning na tayo. Second overtime. Roldan. Number 6, Marasigan. Lumawag. Number 4, Lumawag, number 4. Marasigan po posisyon. Lumawag, nakawala. Lumawag. Foul. Ayos. Ayun. Hina. Sino? Ha? Si Manson. Oh. Eh, nasa bakasyon eh. Again, tabla daw, tabla. Agoncillo, binabantayan. Ayan na si Rivera. Ayan na si Liz. Siason. Bang! Ito na naman sila. Sino po ipikit dito? Yun ang talo. Olea. Siason again. Siason for 3. No good. Two points. Sorry, 2 points, Rivera. 88-1. Agoncillo. Against. Agoncillo. Manalo na, wala na konti. Pops up. One more time. Bothered. No good. Rebound. Bumili pa di ba katawangin ah. Rivera. Number 0. Pagod na. Fatigue. Setting in already. Olea. Down. Penalty situation. Bin, may isang bote. Tubig. Wala. Sige. Okay, again. Ramos. Order niya si Sar rebounds. Pasok. Tabla. Olea again. For the lead. Rebound. Eh, sayang. Three minutes 20 remaining. 8-1 all. Lumawag shooting for 2. This is a good ball game at its finest. Pops up. Pasok. Lamang isa. Second throw, jumpers ready. Ramos is there again for the next rebounds. Ramos. Pops up, lumawag. No good. Rebound by Ramos. Traveling violation. Yun lang. Naman nga isa, 82-81. Agoncillo. Nalos, binabantayan na. Siason. Nag-aantay ng posisyon. Ayan na Siason. Ang sumawag. Bantay sarado na ang arko. Uy! Same ball. Nice D. Isa pa. Agoncillo. Nice switching. Siason. No good. Bumabas. Foul. Again, Rivera on the line. Take 2, Rivera, take 2. Second overtime tayo. 2 minutes 50 remaining. Rivera. Pops up. Pasok. Lamang ng dalawa. 83-81. Lamang ng 3. Pag na-shoot to. Pasok nga. Pasok. Ramos is there. 22. Nalos. Manalo po posisyon. Nice one. 2 points. Number 6, 2 points. 84-83. Pops up. 84. Number 4. Lumawag. 2 minutes 27 remaining. Lumawag! Kick pass! Intercepted! Two minutes, 1 remaining. 86 at laman na 3. Rivera, foul! Rivera again, shooting for 2. A minute and 55 remaining. Second overtime. Second inning. Second serving. Pasok! Insurance basket na yan. 87-83, a minute 55 remaining. Pops up! Pasok pareho! Number 6. Number 6, nawala ang bola. Nalos for 3. Ayaw. Losa pamutik na. Manalo. Floater shot. Palpal. Foul. Okay, penalty na. Penalty Cas. Cas penalty. Sir. Penalty situation. Team Cas. Number 48. Shooting for 2. Pops up. It's out. Second shot, jumper's ready. Ramos, para sa rebound, pinasok yan. Pops up, pasok. Okay, apat. Now they have not ignite. Well done. Pops up. No good. Rebound, Ramos. Prepare again! Bang! 1 minute 15 remaining. 1984. Ani, Mangkalamangan. Nalos. Siasod, pumposisyon. No, it's Manalo. Sayang. Foul called. Manalo shooting for 2. Manalo shooting for 2. Meron si Aricila. Dali na ulit. No good. Naubos na bali mo. Pagod na rin. At saka fatigue factor setting in. Second shot. Lumawag. Working. Binubot niyang team niya. Pasok. 5. 1985. 5. A minute and 3 remaining. And a timeout called by Cas. They need a breather for sure. Aricila, dalhin ulit, sabi daw niya. Dinali na naman ang buto-buto, sabi daw niya. Back to the ball game. Ignite will choke the offense again. Roldan. Lumawag against Nalos. Lost the ball. Recovered. Rivera. Bang! Intercepted by Ramos. Good ball. Foul. $35 seconds remaining. Si Bob Pito Kalamangan. Ramos shooting for 2 pa. Chance to extend the lead. Pops up. No good. Second shot, Ramos. Jumper's ready. Pops up. Made. 8. Pops up. Wala na. Olea. Okay, that's it. Welcome to the finals. Team CAS. Final score 93-85. Maraming salamat po and with it po. Thank you very much. Standby po tayo pa second game for the day between Airport United, ranked number 2, and of course, ranked number 3 in flights. Okay, final score 83-85. After this post-game interview po tayo ng play of the game. Nice game, boss. Go for overtime. Nadalapan. Thank you, sir. Dan! Bilisan para ano? Double overtime. Bilisan. Group photo. Sir Marasigan, group photo na po. Para ano? Dahil si, na over na gold overtime. Bon, Ian. Tara na. Number 15. Ruiz. Tayo na, off schedule na tayo. Okay, ito pa, congratulations. Wag yung score, sir, wag ano. Okay, welcome to the finals. Team CAS, Olea. Thank you. Congratulations to Team CAS po. Welcome to the finals. Yung score po, wag takpan. Thank you. Patay si Bay.
Ready?
Oh. Okay. Okay, isa. Compress.
Right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, go.
Okay, Team CAS. Okay, who's the BOG of the game? Ha? Rivera, ang pamatay sunog. Rivera, pamatay sunog. Ang fireman ng CAS. Dito na, Rivera. Pabilis tayo, tara. Dito. Rivera, congratulations. Welcome to the finals, Team CAS. Ano masasabi para gumawa kayo sa matinding laban?
Nandaan namin sa depensa, sir. Sumipag kami sa overtime kasi nakalamang na kami tapos nahabol.
O nga parang binigyan mo isang magandang laban talaga sa totoo lang.
Nakahabol nila kaya naghabol kami sa dulo. Buti na lang pumapasok yung mga free throw namin.
Okay. Ano masasabi sa ibang mga team mo? Lalo kayo, yung kanyang best friend yun, partner mo si Lumawag.
Buti na lang dyan yung backup namin si Lumawag. Umabsent para lang maglaro.
Umabsent para sa laro.
Game eh.
Oo. Parang naka-duty pa ngayon.
Congrats, Team CAS!
Okay, sige po. Teka. I give you 1 minute to invite them sa championship next week. Sige po. And so greet your loved ones, your friends, and everybody. Sige po.
Pati ko yung pamilya ko sa Pinas. At congrats sa Team CAS. Sana maganda yung laro namin sa finals. Manood kayo sa finals sa susunod na Friday.
Okay, congratulations. Good luck po.
Thank you, sir.
Teka, wait. Sino ang gusto niyo makalabang ngayon? Yan ang maganda kayo.
Parehas mahirap kasi parehas naman lakas eh. Pinalo kami pareho kaya mahirap
Okay, sir. Get to na tayo. Okay, thank you po. Thank you. That's enough po. Thank you very much po. Okay, ito po yan tayo. Lumawag. Halika rito. Naka-duty ba? Oh, ito. Isa pa pamatisunod. Lumawag. Alam ko kung ano mararamdaman talaga dumaki sa matinding laban talaga. Binigyan ko kami ng napakagandang laban talaga.
Buti sa...
Shout out muna agad. Sige,
buti
shout out ka.
sa teamwork namin ng mga kasama namin at
Okay.
yung nakuha rin namin yung peace nila.
Okay.
At thank you very much sa larong to. At shout out to my family watching now, GR Prince Gray.
Okay, thank you po. Sir Lumao, thank you po. Thank you very much. Thank you po. Okay, sige. Meron pa dyan. Roldan, ikaw ang pinaka-leader po dito. Mr. Roldan, any word po? Mr. Any word po, sir? Sige po.
Nice game sa team, good hustle, and Though physical, clean
Matindi,
naman.
oo nga. Talduman kayo sa matinding laban eh.
Physical, pero congrats din sa, sa Ignite. Binigyan kami ng magandang laban, 2 overtime. So, congrats both team.
Ngayon sir, ito, bibigyan kung bibigyan ng pagkakataon, sino pipiliin mo? Yung Implites o Effort United?
Mabigat kalaban si Sir Melvin eh. Siguro, yung kabila na lang. Mabigat kalaban si Sir Melvin. Oh.
Okay.
Kakainin kami ni Sir Melvin.
Kakaisip si Sir Melvin na.
shout out! Oh.
Sige, with it po. Sige po sir, imbitahan niyo sir next week po.
Grabe depensa dito, idol.
Next
Next week, si Sir Melvin, sana makalaban namin si Sir Melvin. Good luck both teams.
Okay,
Thank
with
you,
it
Sir
po.
Melvin, sana sa
Oh,
coverage.
thank you. Wala nga naman lang sir. Okay, that's Mr. Roldan, yung kanyang pinaka-leader po.
Thank you,
And also
sir.
pinaka-skipper po nila. With it po, congrats po Team Cass for winning the ball game. And also good luck po sa championship. Thank you very much po and God bless.